This is Korea News for March 29, 2022. President Moon Jae-in's wife Kim Jung-suk's brooch is heating up online. The brooch was worn by Kim Jung-suk over a top when attending an event, and it became a hot topic in an instant as netizens speculate that it looks like a luxury Cartier product. Amid allegations that the brooch appeared to be a counterfeit product, Cartier said, "It is a product not sold by the company." Cartier does not currently sell the brooch in Kim Jung-suk's photo. A Cartier official said on the 28th, "Kim Jung-suk's brooch is not a product we are selling." Cartier Korea cannot say exactly at a specific time, but from then on, products classified in the brooch category are no longer sold. Regarding the authenticity of Kim Jung-suk's brooch, he explained, "You can't tell if it's genuine just by looking at the photo, and we don't confirm it to our customers." He added, "Cartier Korea does not sell brooches, but I do not know if they are being sold at Cartier branches abroad." Recently, the Blue House appealed against the judgment of the first trial court to disclose special activity expenses and Kim Jung-suk's ceremonial expenses. The trial began in June 2018 when a civic group requested the Blue House to disclose information on the government budgeting amount and expenditure related to Kim Jung-suk's ceremonial expenses. The Blue House refused to disclose it, saying, "There is a risk of harming important national interests because it contains sensitive matters such as national security." If the 20's president changes on the 9th, according to the Blue House Archives Management Act, the data of the Moon Jae-in government, including the data from this case, will be transferred to the Archives Management Office. After that, the related materials are designated as presidential records and remain private for a long time. Some are raising suspicions that the cost of the expensive brooch, which is controversial, including the cost of Kim Jung-suk's clothes, is included in the cost of special activities or ceremonies. Petitions are also coming up on the Blue House Public Petition Bulletin Board urging the disclosure of information about Kim Jung-suk's costume costs. In a petition titled, "The Blue House wants the public to immediately disclose the price of Kim Jung-suk's clothing, including the cost of ceremonial expenses," one petitioner wrote in a petition titled, "When all the people are having a hard time due to corona, the president's wife spent excessively on clothes and ceremonial expenses. The public is disappointed with the allegations. The people have the right to hear the explanation of the Blue House." Some netizens are collecting data on Kim Jung-suk's clothes using photos and videos. Civic groups are also demanding the disclosure of information about Kim Jung-suk's costume costs. The People's Livelihood Countermeasures Committee filed a complaint with the Seoul Metropolitan Police Agency on charges of coercion, embezzlement at work, and a teacher in violation of the Act on Aggravated Punishment of Specific Crimes. The People's Livelihood Countermeasures Committee said, "It is regrettable that the Blue House filed an appeal despite the court's public decision. It is a natural right allowed by the law to want to know." Debate is heating up over the Blue House's appeal against a court ruling to disclose the costs of the First Lady, Kim Jung-suk, for a ceremony. The Blue House recently appealed to the court on the grounds of state secret against the court's request for disclosure of clothing prices. At the Supreme Council meeting held at the National Assembly headquarters on the 28th, Jang Mi-kyung, a member of the People's Power Supreme Council, said, "I never thought I would be talking about brooches to the people, but I need to talk about brooches." He pointed out that Kim Jung-suk's brooch in the middle is worth over 200 million won, and the counterfeit goods cost 20,000 won, but the price of the clothes is a state secret. As a result of checking through photos reported by the media on the 27th by members of an online community in Korea, Kim Jung-suk wore 24 coats, 30 long jackets, 34 dresses, 49 two-piece suits, 27 trouser suits, and blouses, and 14 shirts, a total of 178 pieces. There were a total of 207 accessories, including 51 hanbok noragai, 33 scarves and scarves, 29 necklaces, 21 rings, 29 brooches, 19 bracelets, and 25 bags. They are working to find out which luxury brands Kim Jung-suk wore and which accessories are, and compare them directly. One netizen who recently updated the data said, "It's not a summary. There are too many, so I gave up because it was difficult to organize." In June 2018, the Blue House rejected a request from the civic group Korea Taxpayers Federation to disclose information about the president's special expenses and Kim Jung-suk's ceremonial expenses. Afterwards, the Korea Taxpayers Federation filed an administrative lawsuit, and the Fifth Administrative Division of the Seoul Administrative Court ruled that it was illegal to disclose the expenses of the First Lady, etc. The Blue House appealed, saying it could not accept this. When President Moon's term of office ends on May 9, due to an appeal from the Blue House's resolution to spend on special activities and operating guidelines, as well as the amount and details of budgeting for Kim Jung-suk's ceremonial expenses, etc. are designated as presidential designated documents and are not disclosed for up to 15 years. Is expected to be. Thank you for watching today. Please like and subscribe.